My mother lived with me for over 12 years. She had dementia, and I took care of her, sole caregiver, for over 12 years. I got sciatica, and I could barely breathe, let alone take care of myself and my mother, so I had to put her in a facility. When she entered the facility, I was there every day. I was there either if I couldn't get there to feed her lunch, I would go to feed dinner. And I told them all the time, you gotta help Mom, she's trying to get out of her chair. And I kept telling them that, you gotta watch her. And they said they couldn't put an alarm on her bed because it's considered a restraint. I said, well, how about a scoop mattress? Nope, that's a restraint too. And I have a friend who's a hospice nurse, and she said, Kathy, that's not a restraint. I just put a resident in one today. So they didn't put her in anything, and I got a call late one night that she had fallen, and she fell and she broke her hip and she fractured her neck. And they told me that I could not do the surgery and that she would have to lie still for like 6 to 8 weeks, but she would be in a lot of pain. You don't do that to a 95-year-old woman. So I chose to have the surgery, and surgery went fine, but they couldn't get her off the ventilator. So within 3 months of putting my mom in a facility, I lost her. A friend of mine who's an RN, we were talking after my mother passed, and she said, Kathy, you need to file a wrongful death suit because that shouldn't have happened. And I said, well, I don't do stuff like that. And the more I thought about it, I made a phone call, and McHugh Fuller called me back. I don't know that I could have found a better firm. Everybody from the time they answered the phone to the time they settled that case, just a wonderful, wonderful firm. Everybody. Nothing can bring her back, and it didn't ease the pain, but it served the purpose for what I wanted to do. It's about other people that put family members in facilities like that, thinking that they're going to be safe, and they're not. And that's what I wanted, that, other people will know. People do need to know, and people do need to know about McHugh Fuller, because I tell everybody, if you ever need, because I have their name and their phone numbers are all still on my phone, and I will never take them out. So I would tell anybody about them, because it's a wonderful, wonderful firm.